Hello traders, I trust you're all well and all great and all good. As you know, tomorrow we have NFP news, so I'm back with another video, and then on this video we'll be looking at possible setups, best setups that we could potentially get some nice returns. So without any further ado, just hit the subscribe button, hit the hit the like button, sorry, and then let's get down to it. So I'm looking at USD dollar index. You're looking at the dollar index, right? So the dollar index, as I always say on my videos, is that it's a fiat currency, and then whatever happens on the dollar index impacts all the financial markets, right? Your dollar, your uh, dollar crosses, your commodities, your indices, and etc. So hence why we always start with the dollar index. So if you can see on the 4-hour time frame, and the dollar index has been getting beaten down for quite some time. It's been on a downtrend, right? I said on the previous video that we have a strong downtrend on the dollar. We just came back to pull back and retest this previous breakout, because there was a breakout here, impulse pullback, breakout of the structure impulse. So that breakout case showed us that we're still on a downtrend direction, because it opened a new low, right? Then it climbed back up, give us a second touch. So sellers came in there, right? I for myself took some trades on the euro, but then I took some early trades. They were premature. So this is what I'm anticipating for the dollar index on what will happen, because the Fed, right, they won't be raising rates anytime soon, though they are not cutting out rates, or that we should just relax, but not anytime soon. So meaning we can still go a bit lower, right? Can still go a bit lower. So that's what I'm seeing on the dollar index. So meaning if the dollar index is on a downtrend and you're expecting a bearish move, this means that the USDJPY is also on a downtrend, and the Euro USD is on a bullish move. So let's check some other pairs. So now looking at the Euro USD on the 1-hour time frame, right? I've already analyzed this pair and I send the signal to one of my mentees. So if you can see, we reached the bottom, we got a head, first shoulder, second shoulder pattern, and price broke out of the structure here, right? And then currently experiencing a pullback. Maybe might drop and test the previous low again, and then from there we might shoot up. So for me, the thing is, when I got in here, right, I was already taking the risk for NFP aggressively. So price was around here, around I think 2 p.m. I was busy doing something else, so I took some prices and orders here, and then my stop loss was just below there, just below somewhere there, and price came and spiked me out. Then hopefully my mentees in profits, right? So I'm expecting a further move to the upside on this one, and then possibly you could hit the targeted 1.10 sorry 1.10 thousand right up there. So this green area signals the positive movement, the profitability, the profits, and this red one signals the stop loss. So I'm anticipating that we might move to the upside there. Of course, not just one candlestick, of course, with some up and down, bullish, bearish, impulse, and impulses and corrections similar to this one. So you might get an NFP spike testing that area, and then a bit of a pullback, then continuation, so and so forth. Looking at the USDJPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen. Now this one was one hell of a big move, and then I was so sad that I missed it, right? The move like started early in the morning in the Tokyo session 12. Price started gathering momentum, and then boom, broke out of that low. Sellers came in, they like hungry, and then price declined, pulled back. I tried getting a sell here, and then just because my account couldn't hold and I was risking too much, then it took me out. And then when I was afternoon, I checked, price was here, but I had to like, okay, take a deep breath, and yeah, I'll recover the amount tomorrow. Then price, this is a demand zone on the daily, so price pulled back, and then I'm anticipating that it'll reach this level at 144.400. Then from there it could be a possible retest there, because now we have a touch here. Maybe might get a touch there, then will be a good one for double top. Then we sell from there, then we firstly take profit here. So I'm anticipating a bearish movement continuing on this euro, on the USDJPY. Do you see what I'm saying about pair correlation? A slight movement on the dollar is resulting with over 4,000 pips, right? 4,000 points or 400 pips. Look at this, price broke out of there at 146 and it gave us a low of 141. 146, 141, that's 5,000 points. With lot size 1.00, you could have made $5,000. That's how much this movement was. That's how powerful this move of on the USDJPY was. So that's it from me, guys, on the USDJPY. Let's check the gold. Taking a look at the gold market on the 1 hour time frame. So if I can zoom out, right, you'd see that gold has been on an uptrend for quite some time. You see price breaking out of the structure on the 29th Wednesday, right? At 2020 it broke out. 2020 was during COVID, crazy, right? Price pulled back, gave us a low here, but failed to pull back and test this low, the previous breakout. So I knew that we could actually get a price dropping coming to test the previous breakout, and then eventually price gave us an all-time high there at up plus 111 to $1112 region. Then from there we got a sellers coming in or a pullback, and this is a pullback that should have occurred here. We got it there, the pullback, we got it, and then price is actually been consolidating. That's when I lost some serious money throughout the week, around $100, yeah, during the course of, because this was like, I think, let me see, this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so tomorrow we're getting Friday, right? So this was Monday. So Monday I kept, because price was pulling back to this demand zone and it was hot. I thought price would reach here and I'd buy and I'd get some good buy setups. I did buy, taking around the high risk, right? High risk, and then price just kept on dropping. And I tried here again, high risk, price kept dropping till I accumulated a loss of $100. Price went down, and then I saw that, okay, let me just stay off the markets. Later, I think yesterday I came in again after I've seen this push to the upside and sold. Eventually price gave me little and then pulled back and hit my stop loss. I was out, right? It was consolidating. Usually it's because it's NFP week. NFP week, there's too much of a choppy market, right? Okay, so with this one, I'm anticipating that we'd get because of the dollar index being bearish, so this means with pair correlation the gold is expected to be bullish. If you can see on this trend line, right, price has been respecting the trend. Currently it broke out and it pulled back to this demand zone, so already they are buyers. So from here we're just looking to rise, move to the upside, and hit the take profit at 2149, right? That's my best setups, guys. This is my best setup for NFP. Make sure if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new on this channel, and then that's a wrap, guys. So let's do our best tomorrow. I'm risking again 2:30, right? Cheers, guys. I love you all.